Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the financial law group located here in Warren, Michigan. And I'm here to talk to you today about some use that we can find for Chapter 13 helping you deal with your car payments. Now, the law was changed about 6 or 7 years ago, and when that was changed, they made it more difficult for us to change the terms of certain car loans. For example, it used to be that when you drove your car off the lot, we were able to do what's called a cram down and completely change the value of the loan based upon the value of the car. And as you know, when you drive your car off the lot of the time the value of the car automatically drops. So what they did is they changed it so you have to have owned your car for at least 2.5 years before you're eligible to cram down the value. And the reason they picked 2.5 years is, quite frankly, a lot of the time, by then the car loans have declined in value to the point that the amount that you owe on the car is really what it's worth. And so oftentimes you're not really able to get much value out of reducing the value of the total value of the loan down to the value of the car. So that change happened when the law was changed 6 or 7 years ago. There are still some things that we can do, though, with Chapter 13, even if the purchase of your car is relatively new, though. For example, I've had a lot of clients who tend to get into higher interest car loans. Those would be car loans like with some of the lenders that lend more to people who have poor credit history, like Credit Acceptance, for example, or Santander. And some of these car loans, you'll see interest rates of 12, 13, 14, 15% or more. And car loans like that, you'll find the value won't drop as quickly as they do in other car loans. Now, what we're able to do there a lot of the time is we're able to actually reduce the interest rate of the car loan to a more reasonable rate. And oftentimes, even when you include in the cost of the legal fees in your Chapter 13 plan, you're able to still get a lower payment than you would have had just making the car loan at that incredibly high interest rate. So if you find yourself in a very high interest rate car loan, you might want to come see me. We do offer free consultations where we can discuss your options. Our phone number is 586-693-2000. We're conveniently located in Warren at 12 Mile and Hoover with easy access to 696, so you can easily get to us from Wayne County, Oakland County, Macomb County, and St. Clair County. Or you can visit us on our website, financiallawgroup.com.